everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you about Google Gemini now has an iPad app, audio overviews in 45 plus languages. After adding lock screen and home screen widgets in recent week, Gemini now has an iPad app. Audio overviews are now available in more languages. Google launched an iOS standalone Gemini app on iOS that replaced the integrated search experience in November. The application was just for the iPhone. As such, Gemini on iPad opened as a letterbox phone app. That means users had to use the small iOS keyboard. It wasn't particularly elegant, with the Gemini website offering a better experience. Today's update introduced a full-screen optimized iPad app that spans the entire width of the landscape and portrait screen. It's the exact same UI that Android tablets have had for some time now, and takes after gemini.google.com on the web. The home screen remains minimalist, while reading chats is less cramped and much nicer. The full-screen Gemini Live experience is pretty straightforward. Meanwhile, this native app makes possible split-view multitasking on the iPad. This version of Gemini is available in the App Store. Gemini now has a full-screen optimized iPad app. Gemini can now be added as a home screen widget. Gemini can now connect with your Apple Google Photos library, UI improvements and bug fixes. In other Gemini news today, Google is bringing audio overviews to over 45 languages globally after launching for English in March. I hope you find this video helpful about Google Gemini, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.